Ay, oh, 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 ay, oh, 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 ay, oh, 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 ay. You know, but you ain't about that life in a light on a late night. Truth is what truth say, 'cause it's weekend off the Kool-Aid. Oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 hey, ooh, ooh, hey, oh, 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 hey. You came to hang 'cause it's gang, just in case it ain't too late to switch lanes. Only one way to the Kool-Aid. Oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 hey, ooh, ooh, hey, oh, 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 hey. All right, here goes some bars.
Here's some bars.
Spit to him real quick. Yeah. Well, son, I tell you, life ain't been fair, ain't been no stare. That's a lynx in you. I need a lake to view, a cup of tea to chase the mood. I need a home to free, a land of brave, a song to sing. Till earth and heaven ring, the fight for truth, ignite the youth, the nightly news. Born of confusion, election illusions, fabricating fun, crude headlines, losing quality, control, conspiracy theories. These be to some unsolved mysteries, to others a matter of history. Don't sit with me, we march the streets. Lives on the line in the name of peace. Lives on the line in the name of peace. It don't sit with me, we march the streets. Lives on the line in the name of peace. And them gats will sing lullabies, tuck a bullet, and I'm fast asleep. Mother cries as the camera pans back to me. Press repeat, mass production of they factory meat. Another casualty, y'all casually drink blood like Kool-Aid. Oh, oh, hey, oh, 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 hey, ooh, 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 hey, oh, oh, hey.
Hey,
Yeah.
what you know about it?
You
Hey,
know?
that was dope right there,
Thank
man.
you.
Kool-Aid, huh?
You know, I'm a proud auntie.
Kool-Aid. You feel me? Hey, make sure y'all keep staying tuned to Top TVs like this. Inspirational stories with super artists like Sadhu Sound. Until next time.
Peace out.